Welcome back to the Pterodactyl 2005. This is the recognizable light flash from last year when 568 was coming back. But this is not 568 today. It is via 88J train. This is the only place I could go to today. 6452. I got heard over the scanner. And 918. So, approaching in. Got 7 coaches on this trip. There's the usual 2 bud coaches in it. 4 bud Hep 2s, 1 business LRC. I wonder if it's still the bud coach, LRC coach. 4 buds, 1 LRC, and a 912. Not 918, it's 912. I mean. It's 912. Because it's the love the way. I thought that would probably be triggered by now. I guess it's not triggered yet. No, Nelson Rate. Next crossing over, you should see the red lights flashing. It's still 6452 leading. Now there goes the crossing. Odd that they didn't change the crossing bells. I thought they might have, but they didn't. Ah, light show. Awesome. I can see all the way from here. Nice light show. 6452. On the lead. They should have put like a crossing over here too to connect onto that so people don't go over it like that with gates down like that. Anyway, thank you all for watching the video. Please subscribe, like, hit the bell. See you all next one. Goodbye.